Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to recover Instagram account without email address or phone number. So how you can do that? We have to first of all go into a browser. So I will choose this Chrome browser, and on the search bar you have to type help Instagram, and after that here it will open, and the first option that you have to select that is Instagram Help Center. Okay, so I will click on that and I will wait for a few seconds to get load. And here on the search bar, okay, you have to type I can't log in. Okay, and so basically you have to search this, and the first option, make sure in your phone it can be on the third or fourth option, but you have to choose it carefully. So you have to choose this first option. Okay, I have lost access to the email account or phone number that I used to create my Instagram account. So we have to click on here, and after that you have to scroll down, scroll down, scroll down, and here you can get an option that is change your email. Okay, but we will not click on that. We will click on no. Okay, here the Instagram is asking was this helpful. It is basically no, right? So I will just click on the no, and the information is confused, the solution doesn't work. Okay, so you have to click on that. The solution doesn't work, we have to click on here, and here we have to write whatever issue we are facing. Okay, so basically you're not able to access your Instagram. There could be many reasons. Maybe your account got hacked, or you forgot your email address, your phone number, or you're not able to receive OTP. So whatever the reason you have to just type it here, and you have to explain it very carefully and very easily. In this way real Instagram customer service will send you, and they will try to help with this issue, and they will try to recover your account. So this is it guys, I hope you found this video really helpful, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe our channel. See you in the next video. Till that time, take care, goodbye.